or folders. In Ubuntu, you can view files or folders either in the list view or in the icon view. Icons view. This is the default view of displaying your files and folders as icons. To view files and folders as icons, click on the View Items as a Grid of Icons button located on the top right corner of the home window. Or click on the View, then go to Icons option. The files and folders will be displayed as a grid of icons. List view. This option lists the files and folders with their detailed information, including name, size, type, date and time, when the file was last modified. To view files and folders as a list, click on the View Items as a list icon located on the top right corner of the home window. Or click on the View, then go to List option. The files and folders will be displayed in the form of a list. Students, let us take a quick quiz. Which view displays each file or folder on a separate row along with their detailed information like size, type, data and time? Let us understand how to sort file and folders. Sorting means arranging the files and folders by specifying different parameters such as their names, dates, modified types and sizes. Sorting option appears only when you have selected the icons view. By name. Clicking on the View menu and select the option By name. The files and folders will be arranged in alphabetical order as shown in the figure. By size. Click on the View menu and select the option By size. The files or folders will be displayed according to the size. The largest file or folder will be displayed at the last position in the list as shown in the figure. By type. Click on the View menu and select the option By type. Files of the same type are grouped together and then sorted by name. Observe, the files will be categorized according to the file extension as shown in the figure. By modification date. To sort files by their modification date, click on the View menu and select the By modification date option as shown in the figure. This option arranges files or folders in an ascending order according to their modification date.